Here's a 2017 INFINITI QX80. Embrace luxury grand enough to accommodate all the adventures you seek and powerful enough to amplify them. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. V8 engine, electronic shift on the fly, integrated navigation system with voice activation, memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, memory steering wheel settings, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection reports this big ute can hit 60 miles per hour in a surprisingly quick 7 seconds. Every inch, every feature, every innovation has been designed to inspire, enhance, and fulfill your potential. INFINITI is you, amplified. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.